Welcome to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers EDDMapS training for the EDDMapS smartphone apps. Bring the power of EDDMapS to your smartphone. Choose the app closest to your region. The species included in the apps for reporting are based on the invasive pests for that area. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play to your smartphone or smart device. Submit invasive species observations directly with your phone from the field. After submission, all reports are sent to verifiers for review. The apps are available for both Android and iPhone devices. We will use the SEDEN or Southeast Early Detection Network app for this training. Included in the apps are field guides containing information and images for each species, as well as the ability to create your own species list. Distribution maps where you can view all the points reported, or you can view individual reports. The reporting form so that you can report infestations. You can also report negative data to show where invasive pests are not present. You can register right on your smartphone. The first step is to sign in or register. The field guide provides descriptions and other information on the species. Several images also help with identification of species in the field. You can instantly go to the reporting form by clicking on Report. You can use the field guide to create a list tailored to a particular project. Click on the eye for information icon to go to the field guide. Easily create your own list with only the species you need for each survey by clicking on the star. When the star is highlighted, the species is added to your list. Click on the star again to unselect that species and remove it from your list. The personalized list can help you get to the species you are reporting on a regular basis even more quickly and easily. The distribution maps allow you to view all reports for any particular species, or zoom in and click on an individual marker to view details of that specific report. There are different ways to find the species you need to report. You can search by species categories, by all species, or by my species list. State species lists are coming soon. There are several categories of species to choose from, which helps you find the species you want to report more quickly. Scroll down and click on the category you need. Then scroll down until you see your species and click on the species name to report. You can choose to alphabetize the species list by scientific or common name, and it is very easy to change back and forth as you need to. You can search by all species. This is helpful when you are unsure which category your species falls into. Simply scroll down until you find the species you wish to report. You alphabetize this list by scientific or common name as well. You can have just the species you will be surveying for on your My Species list. This list can also be sorted by scientific or common name. You can click on Other, Unknown to report an animal, insect, or plant you can't identify, but you suspect is non-native and invasive. Also choose this option to report an animal, insect, or plant that you can identify but that isn't on the list. Put the species name in the Notes text box. From the species list, you can click on the image to go directly to images of that species. You can click on the information icon to go to the field guide, or you can click on the species name to go directly to the reporting form. This is the entire reporting form on the smartphone app. Of course, you would have to scroll down to see the entire app on your phone. It includes species name, date and time, camera icon, and images you take with your camera will show up here, latitude and longitude, the mapping icon, time spent collecting data, size of the infestation, density or ground cover of the invasive species, and you also have a place to add any notes needed here. Remember to click on Save when you finish. Already included on the reporting form is the name of the species you've chosen, the date and the time, and the GPS coordinates. The first thing you want to do is to take an image of the invasive species. You want to always include images of the species at the infestation with your reports. Images help add validity to your report, and they also allow verifiers to identify the species and validate your report. Click on the camera icon to take a picture of the invasive species. If you forget to do so, you will get a pop-up reminder. You will be able to see the attachments where your images are added to the reporting form. Next is mapping on the reporting form. Your GPS-enabled smart device fills in the coordinates or uses the app's mapping function to more precisely map an infestation. After you click on the map icon, you will see a Western Hemisphere map with your location highlighted. This is Google Maps, which you're probably already familiar with and works the same way as it does on your computer. Zoom into your location and choose how you want to report. Choices are point, freeform polygon, or a polygon drawn from vertices. For a point, drop the marker on the correct location and click on Done. For a freeform polygon, simply draw the perimeter of the infestation on your device's touchscreen, then click on Done. For a polygon from vertices, drop markers at the corners of the infestation and the device will draw the polygon for you, then click Done. Next is documenting other infestation on the reporting form. Density or ground cover has 3 choices. Just click on the description that best fits the infestation. Click on the time you spent collecting the data. Size of the infestation will fill in automatically if you use the map icon to delineate the infestation. In Notes, add any other relevant information for this infestation, for example, the project name. Clicking Save adds this report to your upload queue. Click on Negative Survey in the main menu to bring up the Negative Survey reporting form. Click Edit next to the list of species to add the species you've surveyed in this area. Then click Edit next to the area surveyed to map the area you're reporting for this survey. There will be more information on this on the next slide. You can also document the time you spend for each survey, and there's a text box to add any notes that may be useful in locating or managing the surveyed area later. Now for more details on mapping on the Negative Surveys reporting form. After you click Edit next to the area surveyed, you will see a Western Hemisphere map with your location highlighted. This is Google Maps, which you're probably already familiar with and works the same way as it does on your computer. Zoom into your location and choose how you want to report. Choices are point, freeform polygon, and polygon drawn from vertices. For a point, drop the marker on the correct location and click on Done. For a freeform polygon, simply draw the perimeter of the infestation on your device's touchscreen, then click on Done. For a polygon from vertices, drop markers at the corners of the infestation and the device will draw the polygon for you. Then click Done. All reports are saved to your device to the upload queue automatically. You can upload reports immediately, or you can wait to upload all your reports after connecting to Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi to upload reports saves on your data plan and prevents your device's battery from running down too quickly. Now for some wrap-up tips. If you see this first error message, it probably means your data is turned off. Go to Settings on your phone to turn it back on. If you want to provide feedback or have another error message, it is best to contact us through the app. Click on Feedback found under More Options. Choose Email, then tell us what the feedback or problem is. Sending feedback this way automatically provides information about your phone, which will help our technicians resolve the problem more easily. Thank you for reporting invasive species using smartphone apps from EDDMapS. Once submitted, reports are automatically sent to the proper verifiers. Once verified, reports are available on the EDDMapS website. This and other U.S. Army Corps of Engineers EDDMapS trainings are available through the Tools and Training link on the EDDMapS homepage.